Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to make speech to text on Google Docs, or how to enable that voice texting on your Google Docs so you can speak it and it automatically type into a paragraph or lines by using this option. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So I'm just going to show how to voice type here on Google Docs. You just open a blank document here. So after opening a blank document, you can see a lot of options on the top. You just need to click on the tools option. You can see voice typing tools are here. It's under the tools bar, voice typing, or you can use the keyboard shortcuts as Ctrl plus Shift plus S, or you can just click here. So now you can see a voice type tool here. You can change the language that you are speaking to type. So you can change here, then you can move the tool from wherever that you want on the screen according to your comfortable. So then click here. So now onwards it will be automatically record what I just speaking or what I just want to type. So you can easily make it to type like this, and it will be clearly mention the word that you are speaking about it. And you can also say some orders to the typing aspects. For example, just select so now onwards. Select so now onwards. You can see now it's selected. Select automatically recorded. Select automatically. So you can make some of the things to be used here. So by this option you can easily type whatever that you want, and you can make an easy escape. For an example, if you want to make a typing your report, you just need to just read the report directly and it will automatically type that for you, and this will be so easier and work will be simplified, and you can make easily according to, if you are typing everything, it will be so hard to make the document to prepare, and it will be so easy to make a voice record and keep you can after finishing typing you just need to make a formatting option on your report, and you can easily submit your report easily on for your education or whatever that you want. Try this option on Google Docs now. It's so simple and easiest way to make your report easier, and just share this video with your friends who having a problem with this. Try this option on Google Docs now.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about YouTube, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.